And I want to get to your book in a moment, but I just want to finish asking you about the active cases against the former president. Can I turn to the case where Trump has taken home classified documents and failed to secure them? This is one of the more serious cases against him, and he is guilty here, isn't he?
He is, but so is Joe Biden. So they're not going to be able to go after him unless they go after Joe Biden and Vice President Pence. So the first three cases are very weak legally. The classified document case is strong legally, but impossible politically. But that's the only one that has a plausible legal and factual basis. He will claim that he declassified everything when he was president, and that will be a factual dispute. But I think he might lose that one, but I don't think they're going to bring a federal case against him without also bringing a case against Biden, and I don't think they'll bring a case against Biden.
So in the Georgia case, President Trump says he needs to find 13,000 votes on a tape. Is this not an indication of guilt?
No, it's a pure indication of innocence. It's the best evidence of innocence imaginable. He didn't say make up 13,000. He didn't say concoct. He didn't say invent. He said find. Find has a dictionary meaning. It means it's there, and you should look hard and find it. Find is his best defense. You can't prosecute somebody for saying something that's innocent, arguing that maybe he meant something else. But he said find, and find has a meaning. It means something is there. There are votes are there. Look hard for 13,000 votes that haven't been counted. That is the easiest, one of the easiest cases to win.
And so what about this other one, the fourth one in New York State, where the New York Attorney General is behind a civil lawsuit claiming that the Trump organization lied to lenders? Is this, does this have legs? Do you think, is President Trump worried about this one?
Well, it's a civil suit. And every single real estate operator in New York overstates the value of the property and for purposes of getting loans, and then understates it for purposes of taxation. So it's a very, very common thing. And banks are the ones who are supposed to check the value of the building. And so it's a hard case, but it's only a civil case. It's only about money. And so it won't affect his presidential run at all. The other cases are criminal.
So which case, if any, do you think could actually land Trump in prison?
None. I would bet anyone will not end up in prison. He may end up being convicted in New York because 87% of New Yorkers in Manhattan voted against him, and they hate him, and they feel strongly about him. And judges and jurors will not want to come home to their family and say, we're the people who freed Donald Trump and allowed him to become the next president. So I think he could lose in New York, but it would be reversed on appeal, and there won't be any prison time for that.